What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Starting off where I left off the last video, we were putting fiberglass on the back of this panel that's right here on both rear quarter panels of the fender flares. So that I've let that dry for like about a week. This is now currently the next week, so I'm gonna take it off and see how much resin actually did stay onto here, because as you guys know, on this side I didn't have enough resin to cover the whole entire thing. Kind of, as you guys can tell, this is still like the rear fender flares removed from the rear quarter panel, and look what happened when I removed the tape. Paint came off. All right here, cleanly taken off. Look at that. Damn. I mean, I guess that's what you pay when resin gets super hot. I guess you guys can take this into consideration when working with fiberglass. Resin gets hot, melts the paint, and then this is what's going to happen. Even though I even put tape on here with wax, but just what happens. It's part of the game. Doesn't really matter, doesn't worry me too much, because I mean the whole car will be getting painted. But overall, this side came out pretty nice. We're just going to give it a good sand down on the back on both sides, and we should be good. This one, this rear flare was the one that we ran out of resin, so you can kind of tell that it's not like 100% perfect, but it's not a big deal. We'll just sand it down and leave it how it is. This one is pretty still a little wet. I don't know why. Still a little wet, so I'll probably leave this one out in the sun. So while I wait for those rear fender flare pieces to dry, or just one of them, but I'm just gonna wait for both of them just because they're a little bit tacky. I'm gonna start working on this one, since one side didn't fit perfectly fine. As you guys can tell, there's pieces missing on this one. I'm gonna try and get this one as perfect as possible, and I'm gonna try to get it as smooth as possible so this piece can be done and it can already start getting its body work done, and getting this piece, the fender flare, complete as much as possible. I also think Isai is going to be heading over in a bit. He came down and he wants to fix his headlight, since he did end up getting another halo, so he can fix his Iron Man halo. So we're going to be doing that right now as well. He should be here shortly, so we'll wait for him. I'll be doing this while I wait for him. So look who decided to come on by. There is Isai, the most infamous Isai.
Yes.
So today, what we're going to do, fix your headlight. I guess
the one halo that went wrong.
Yeah, for the Iron Man.
Yeah. So that way we'll have a fully functional headlight mod. We'll have the smaller ring for the eye, the Iron Man, and then the Demon Eyes.
And then this one did end up having condensation, just this headlight. So we're gonna get that fixed as well. So
yes, sir.
We'll do the Iron Man and fix the condensation, which I guess it was just this piece that's right here.
Yeah.
You say you just ended up putting, what is it, hot glue?
Hot glue for
hot glue, and I guess it ended up stopping it. So I'm guessing we just need to put some more buck-tail glue right here, and it should fix the problem.
Yep.
So we'll do this, and it's gonna get looking good. Hopefully by the end of today.
Yeah, man.
Should be by the end of today. Should be pretty quick and easy.
Yeah, cause no more having to figure out how to Mickey Mouse the
freaking demon eye.
Nah, dude, that was some engineering right there, bro. Drop the bumper, baby.
So right now we're talking about what we think happened with the Iron Man halo. I have my own, what would you call it?
Theories?
Yeah, my own theory. Isai has his own theory on what happened. So Isai, explain your theory.
So my theory is when we had the halo and we were putting it on the actual housing, when we were using that fishing line, I think we tightened it a little too much here maybe, and it kind of broke the PCB board. Or
nah, on mine I cut some of that and nothing happened to mine. Something
like either that, or the second theory I have is this. One of these came loose when we pulled them off.
And you know how? That's what my theory is, but you know how I think it pulled off?
Well, remember, we did a lot of things
no. Remember the back cap? Remember it got tight at one point?
And I don't think we loosened the
the
wire gland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's what I think will happen.
That's another theory too.
So right now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna test out the new one, make sure that one is working, which the other one was working, but we're talking about, that's what happened. I guess we pulled it too hard, or we don't know what happened. We'll see once we open it. Yeah, but we're gonna make sure this one actually works like the other one too.
We didn't test it last time.
Yeah, we did. Didn't we?
Not that one.
No?
We tested the left side.
Yeah. Yeah, it turned on. But change the colors to make sure it is the Iron Man.
You know what I'm also gonna do? Plug in the other one. Damn. Hell yeah.
So yeah, Iron Man turns on, which is what that Halo is gonna be right there. That one's gonna be the Iron Man too.
Yeah.
So they're both working.
Yep.
You wanna give it a different color change?
I bet you if we move the back. Here, let me just fix this.
So it's still messed up. The wires are still connected to the back of it. So we don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just a defective Halo.
Yeah, maybe.
But like you said, maybe.
Oh, dude, maybe you're right, man. It is a defective. Because look, if it was these back wires, right now that I'm moving it, it would change. Like, you know what I mean? Because you're moving it. Like, you're pulling it and eventually it'll make contact to something. Or just turn off. Like, pieces of it would turn off. But I'm giving it mad movement back here.
I know.
And nothing changes. So I think it's very possible. It's probably just a defective Halo. But didn't we check them all?
I don't remember. That's the only thing.
Me either.
So we got the 90 mil, the Iron Man Halo connected. You guys can tell it's the same color. Same thing on that side. So now we know it perfectly works good. Now we can start reassembling it all again. This time it's gonna work.
Yep.
This time it's gonna work, and we're gonna add a little bit more bucktail glue on this side. We're gonna put some all the way around again, but a little bit extra right here, since I think it wasn't making any contact right here, and it made a little bit of moisture inside the headlight. So we're gonna fix that, and it should be good. Damn. So we got the headlight put back together. We're just testing. Well, it's actually sealed up. It's just we haven't finished putting everything back on the back. So he's gonna plug it in. Let's see. Should default to white, right?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Uh-oh. Dude. Your face. Your face.
All around me are familiar faces.
Oh, scary. Yeah, dude, it's on.
Dude,
they're both on, dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Long, dude.
Hell yeah.
Damn, that's what's up.
Damn. Damn, son. Now that we know that it's actually working, we're just gonna reassemble them and put them on the car, and we should be done, dude.
That's it, dude. Done.
That's it.
It's wired and everything already. So finally, man.
Hell yeah, dude. Hopefully, also the condensation. We did put a whole bunch of bucktail glue, as you guys can tell, all the way around. So hopefully there's no condensation inside the headlights or anything like that. So we're almost done. We're almost done. Damn, boy. So we're running into a little bit of issue with the Demon Eyes, the halos, and the Iron Man halo because it's kind of too dark here and his halos are kind of bright, so my camera can't really pick it up because I don't have a high quality professional camera. For you guys wondering, I do have an Sony RX100 Mark V, which is like a compact camera, so it's not really picking up the colors, or yeah, I guess you could say not picking up the colors that well right here at night since the halos are pretty bright. We're gonna try moving. You want to try moving to another location?
Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's just to see if it's a lot brighter for his car and to kind of like dim down the light, because you guys can tell right there, look, you guys can't even tell it's a halo because it's so bright.
Like way you I like it.
It's a little change of plans because the video didn't really go as planned, but I did notice something when Isai was doing some rollers. This headlight that's over here was completely blinding me, and this one was the one that we took off. As you guys can tell, this is where that one's at, and this one's where the other one's supposed to be. So we gotta bring that one down a little bit more. So we're gonna take off the bumper all over again and try and fix the problem. Got them adjusted a little bit higher to where they both were. This one was a little bit higher, but we adjusted them a little bit lower. This one was a little bit lower, so we adjusted a little bit higher. Now, as you guys can tell, it's practically even right there. So he said he's gonna take it out for a drive and see if that's gonna suit his needs.
Looks good, dude. I don't think it blinds anybody. I walked out in front of it pretty far to see if it was like blinding or anything. I think this is probably better than before.
Kodak got inside. Go. Get him over there. Get him over there. There, he's out. He's out.
Oh wow.
Look, he even closed the door for you. Dude, he's already trained, dude. He gets out and he closes the door. Yeah, dude, never leave your door open, dude. Kodak will get in. So we got the headlights adjusted, as you guys can tell, and we got the halos done. So that's where we're gonna end today's video. We at least got through today by finishing the headlights, fixing them, and making them work. So that's where we're gonna end today's video, guys. I know I didn't get to do a lot of the fender flare stuff that I was gonna do today, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's no biggie. With that being said, that's where I'm gonna end today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Saeed, for coming out, going back down, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out and embrace yourself.